Namaste to all creators around the world. I've been meaning to make this video for some time now, answering to the questions around coronavirus, what is actually happening on a universe level.
Welcome to Focus Mind.
What is happening with the energies? Why is this all happening? The shift, all of this, when is it all coming to an end? And so I want to address these points and what is it that we need to do or we can do to actually help the whole situation that's happening right now with all the chaos that's happening. Now, first of all, before I get into that, I just want to say, needed for any of this, it's just a way of giving back to the community and thanking everybody and sharing that love. And so you guys can also share that love further with more people. I believe that during a time like this, it's very important to keep our energies high, stay positive, stay strong. Although all these different things are happening, I've seen some people were messaging me on Instagram recently and saying, Master, why is it that you guys seem to be all happy and positive and everything like that while the world is all coming to chaos? And I'm saying that's the only way to be. We see, we feel, we observe, we witness. But if we become that vibration, then the vibration will continue to spread and continue to attract. So the answer to this needs to be in gratitude, in love. And I know for some will be hard, especially if you're in the midst of the situation and the challenges. But at the same time, you need to understand what you focus on expands. If you continue to focus on the negative, then obviously it will continue to expand. We don't want to be that vibration. Always remember, we don't attract what we want, we attract what we are. So that's why very important to keep spirits high, positivity there. However, do not allow ego to kick in, especially for those of you who are very spiritual, to think that you are boss, you are strongest, and nothing will ever affect you because it's a virus going on. It's dangerous. So we need to take the necessary precautions also, whether it's by staying at home, whether it's not going into public places with too many people. These things need to be done. Now, what I want to cover in this video is to share with you, is it actually possible to manifest or use law of attraction to actually help this whole situation with the coronavirus right now, or change the situation? And also, what kind of things can we, how can we respond best to the situation, and why is all this actually happening? So let's start from why this is all happening. Universe will always be full of positive energy and negative energy. Now, what I love about what Grandmaster always teaches is that energies, let's say the universe, will never be biased in terms of negative or positive. Why? Is because actually both belong in this reality. And without negative, there will be no positive. This is the world of duality. And both must be there at the same time. And so when positive energies heighten, negative energies will need to heighten. When negative energies heighten, like a lot of positive spirits, especially you guys who are watching the channel now, your positivity will need to heighten to actually balance it out. Balancing out the up-down curve means existence. Flat line means what? Flat line, you all know, means dead, end of existence, cease of existence. So it's very important. This is the way existence works. You will never see dark without light, light without dark. You will see sun, you will see moon. There's left and right. You'll see everything, sadness, happiness. If there's no sadness, you won't experience happiness. So the world goes in cycles this way, and it will continue to go in cycles. Your life, let's not even go so far-fetched in talking about the universal energies. Let's talk about your life. Your life has ups and downs. And so life forces are always up-down curve. Now, the secret behind this is like this. When negativity happens, how does negativity prolong? It prolongs when everybody is entertained in the negativity and affected by the negativity. So instead, we need to respond, not react, respond. A lot of people now reacting, going into a supermarket, taking all of the toilet roll and everything. We're in reactive, not responding to the situation, right? That is scarcity mindset. Think about it. In abundant mindset, to change your reality, yes, we can, using manifestation techniques, using law of attraction, if we can all come together. Because Everybody has their individual life force. That's why we're running this global meditation portal, and I'd like to invite all of you there. So if you haven't already, make sure to click on the link and register. Join us tomorrow. Join hands, join forces, join love, and send the healing out together. Because each individual life force, when joined together, it creates a very powerful vibration. Now, why is it getting worse and worse right now? Very simple. Because more people are in panic stage, reacting stage. Same like stocks and shares. When people sell, right? Because people get scared. Scarcity mindset will continue to attract more scarcity mindset because people move like sheep. They follow. So if you are a positive spirit and you're here to make a positive impact in this world, to play your part, right? As the command comes from the chief of positivity, then we should actually, our role is very simple. While we see everything, number one, make sure, do take the precautions. Don't think you're invincible. Don't let ego get to you. So we take the necessary precautions, wash hands and everything, right? Now, but at the same time, we cannot be in scarcity mindset, panicking like everybody else, because in vibrational frequency chart, the lowest vibrational frequencies, right? Where it comes to fear, where it comes to doubt, shame, all this jealousy, everything, all this hate, anger, frustration, all of this is being felt by a lot of people around the world. Now, if you are a positive spirit, then your role right now should be, how can I keep my vibrations high? And I'm just going to share with you very, very simply how to do it. Right now, you need to understand one thing. By you thinking about the virus, or by you thinking about all the tragic that's happening right now, is not going to help anything. By you thinking does not help. You thinking is a vibration it attracts more of. So instead of thinking that, how can we change our mind to change our energy, to change our vibration collaboratively, to start thinking about the things that we are grateful for? Think about it, right? I seen this meme the other day, somebody put out there and said that it's very interesting right now. A lot of us are complaining and so scared and so fearful and thinking it's the end of the world because we have to sit home and watch Netflix. But if you look at the reality, many years ago, maybe our grandparents, right, when it was dire for them, the situation, they had to go to war. And we think our situation is dire just because we have to sit at home and watch some TV. So we actually need to put everything into perspective right now. And we need to focus on the positive. Remember, what we focus on expands. Right now, be in love with the things you have. Don't think about the things you don't have, right? Be in love, be in gratitude for life. Those who are affected or close people are affected right now. Still, you are still alive. It's a blessing to be alive because there are people dying every single day, not just for the virus, for every other situation too. Every single day there are people dying. So we need to count our blessings every single day because there is no way you can be in negative vibration and feel gratitude at the same time. So get into gratitude, right? Now, at home, this is actually a very, very good time because it's actually cleansing the whole universe right now. You guys might have seen, a lot of people have been posting recently in Italy, dolphins are seen now, clear waters are seen in Venice, right? The least amount of pollution is happening in China right now. All of these things, monkeys coming out, deers coming out, all of these animals coming out to play because there's no pollution out there right now because everybody's at home. So what is this? This is a big universal energy cleanse. So after this cleanse, everything can become beautiful, this planet. So it's doing the planet good. Now you're probably thinking, oh, but what about those people who are... The moment you channel your mind towards that, we expand that. So what I'm saying is, while there's certain ways the universe will channel its energies to do certain cleanses, right? Everything happens for its divine reason. What we need to do is have faith, stay together in unity, practice gratitude, love, compassion for others. What can we do to help others? Instead of taking all the toilet roll, how about next time you go, you see toilet roll, you're saying, hey, I'll take one, I'm going to leave one for the next person. It should be abundance mindset right now. The more we're in scarcity mindset, the worse it will become. The more we can come together as one, as unity, then we can all rise together and get out of this whole situation right now. So guys, that's my words for today on what's happening currently.